Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to set up shipping for your WooCommerce store. In this video, I'll show you how to add both flat rate and free shipping methods for free. First, go to WooCommerce Settings Shipping. Here you'll manage your shipping zones. Click on a shipping zone, like United States, or add a new one. Inside the zone, click Add Shipping Method. To add flat rate shipping, select Flat Rate from the drop-down and click Add. Now, click to edit it. You can set a fixed cost, like $5. You can also add a cost based on the cart total or item weight using simple math, like 5 plus cart underscore total 0.05 for a $5 base plus 5%. To add free shipping, select Free Shipping and add it. You can choose to offer it always, or only when a minimum order amount is met. Set the minimum amount if you want to encourage larger orders. You can also require a coupon. Save your changes. Customers in that zone will now see these shipping options at checkout. And that's it. With flat rate and free shipping, you have a flexible, professional shipping setup to start selling. If you set a free shipping minimum, let me know what it is in the comments. See you in the next one.